Hi, Bean Beauty, Stevie Bean here. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for coming and spending some time with me. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, today we're doing another unboxing. This is a Coach unboxing. It is from Goodwill Finds. I'm kind of excited about this one too. My last Coach bag was beautiful from Goodwill Finds. So let's hope that this one is too. Aww. It packaged this from, it has all the these little things. Okay, I need to find somewhere to put it. I don't think I can, okay, I'll be right back. I need to find a bag to put it into, another box, because it'll get everywhere in the dogs are just crazy. So I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I'm back. Whew. Had to put in another box. All right, so then this is how, underneath all of that, this is how this was packaged. So the bubble wrap. Oh, it's okay. So I'll insert a picture of the color of it, which this is not even close to it. This is not a bad color, but it's not the color that I was looking for, so I wouldn't have bid on it. This is definitely not as described. So let's see, let's go through it. Here's the bag. It says Coach Blue Leather Crossbody bag. And it's supposed to have a certificate of authenticity. So I wonder if it's inside the bag. I didn't see it in the box. But if for some reason they don't put it in there, you can email them and they'll send it to you via email. They're supposed to be able to send it to you. Here is the strap. And it's not detachable, it's just adjustable. Here's the front of the bag. It's kind of like a little camera bag. Here's the side of the bag. Here's the back of the bag. Here's the bottom. It has little pockets, little teeny tiny pockets here on the side here. Gross. Had a band-aid. It has another little pocket in here. Has the Coach tag there. And it's in good shape. It's in good shape. Okay, so here has a front pocket here. Front pocket here. And that's a snap. A magnet, not a snap, I'm sorry, a magnet. It's got gold, what's it called? Gold hardware, gold hardware, there you go. Sorry, I'm a little thrown. Here's what the inside looks like. It has one tiny pocket in the front, and it has a pocket in the back that definitely my cell phone, I don't even know if my cell phone will fit in the body of the, yeah, it does. It barely fits. Yeah, because look, here's my cell phone. So it's that size. It's just the colors throwing me. I wanted like, you know, it was a totally different color. It's genuine leather and it's real soft and everything. Let me see if I can stuff it a little bit so we can give it a little bit of some body to it. Just use this. That helps. So it's cute. And it'll work. Oh, let me see if I can turn it into the crossbody will be long enough. It might be. You can't return these to them. Okay, yeah. Maybe after the shocks went off, if you see the color, when I put in the color, you'll see why it's such a shock. It's such a shock. Yeah, the color, it's a pretty color. It is a pretty color. But the bag is smaller than I thought it was, and it doesn't have any. Oh, it does have measurements. It says approximately 10 inches this way, 5.5 inches up, and then 3 inches here. Is that, I don't have a measuring tape. Is that 10 inches? I guess so. I didn't see it. I guess next time I better pay closer attention. The color just has totally thrown me off. But it's a pretty bag. It's a pretty very beautiful bag. Let's look at it again. Here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, here's the other side, and here's the bottom. And here's what the top looks like. Here is the little Coach emblem, the Coach tag. And it's very soft and supple, and it's in really, really excellent shape. So the price, I didn't tell you all the price. So let's see how much I paid for it. My bid was $29, and there was several people bidding on it. Tax was $330. Shipping and handling was $7.99. I mean, shipping was $7.99. Handling was $2.99. So it came out to a total of $43.28. And there you go. Okay. Thank you very much for joining me today. It's a beautiful bag. It's in great condition. Just a little disappointed because it wasn't the color or even close to the color that they showed on screen. So, but that's the risk of doing business online and no returns. So, and for doing business at shopgoodwill.com. So know how it is from my experience. Say I do this to experiment so that you don't have to go through it. Okay. At least that's what I'm telling myself right now. All right, thank you so much for joining me. Love y'all. Bye-bye.